and people mix up the two. The other, of course, is whether the law was broken and whether the Trump campaign was complicit in working with the Russians to influence the election. That needs a special prosecutor. Rod Rosenstein, he's a career man. He will be before the Judiciary Committee for his nomination for Deputy Attorney General. I am urging him at that hearing to say that he will appoint a special prosecutor to look into this, because it's on the executive side that the full investigation is done and any criminality is put forward.
Let me ask you about this
What a douche.
specific charge, what you were just talking about.